guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am here with a video related to makeup brushes for beginners. अभी आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैंने already एक beginners kit पे video बनाया है and why didn't I mention these brushes out there? The reason being क्योंकि मुझे ये brushes मैंने जब ये purchase किए थे ये brushes वो काफ़ी साल पहले थे when I started learning makeup and I still use them कभी कभार जब मैं घाई गड़बड़ में होती हूँ and I need to hurry up with things. तो मैं ये ब्रशेज़ यूज़ करती हूँ बट आई पर्सनली वॉन्टेड टू रीपर्चेज दीज ब्रशेज़ द एग्जैक्ट सेम सेट एंड सी इफ द क्वालिटी इज एग्जैक्टली द सेम एज वॉट आई बॉट फ्यू ईयर्स बैक. So I'm going to talk about these brushes in this video and it's going to be an honest review of how it works. So without further ado, let's just jump into the video. But wait a second, before I jump into the video, for those who are new to my channel, Namaste, my name is Anushka and I would really love it if you all take a chotu sa moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to never miss an update. So let's just jump into the video. So coming to the point, why a different video for brushes? So I just wanted to put this in front of you guys that when I started learning makeup, I was so confused about the brushes that I should invest in, and the professional brushes cost like, if you go to take an entire set of a professional brush, it might cost you like 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 and on, or maybe 3,000, 4,000 or something like that. So they are quite costly for me as a beginner when back then to invest before knowing the utility of that brush, before knowing why a particular brush is used for. So I saw a few videos, I purchased few brushes and I came back to a conclusion, like I came down to a conclusion where I found these brushes which really did the job right and I learned quite a lot with these brushes, and then I moved on to purchasing brushes. मतलब धीरे धीरे I moved on to purchasing more brushes, more on the professional side, and now that I'm learning makeup professionally, so I have a professional kit. But I didn't want to start with directly putting it in front of y'all that professional brushes are important. Y'all can, as a beginner, begin with basic brushes, know what it is used for, know the utility of that brush, क्या करता है एक ब्रश, किस चीज़ के लिए काम आता है, किस प्रोसेस के लिए काम आता है, एंड देन जब आप श्योर हो तब आप एक बड़ी इन्वेस्टमेंट करो. सो विदाउट टू मच ऑफ टॉकिंग, let's just get to the point and get to the video. Today I am going to talk about these brushes. Don't worry that I'm going to give you all each and every detail of where did I purchase it from, how much did it cost me for the entire set, everything. Just wanted to show you all that yes, I have used these brushes earlier, and as you all can see that this is the new set of brushes that I've purchased and this one are the used ones. So the reason for me to actually show it to you guys is because I wanted to be really honest about the reviews for these brushes. How do they work? They do the job right or no? Everything. It's going to be an honest review. Talking about these brushes in detail. So they are available in a set of 10. So the bigger ones which are used for powders, for foundations, for contour, and the smaller ones which are used for eyeshadows and concealers. So we are going to talk about them individually in detail. First I'm going to talk about this brush. It's like a very flat brush and I personally use this for my foundation. Like whenever we want to apply foundations or something like that, you should always use a brush which has a flat end. So this is the brush that I use and this is available in the kit. This is the only brush which has like a flat end. So this can be used for a foundation. Next, I will be talking about these two brushes. These are basically an angular brush. Like as you all can see, it has like an angle to it. And what are these used for? So these are used for basically contouring your face. Like I personally use this to contour my face. When you have an angular brush for contour, you all can get the contour right. It's not going to spread all over your face. It's going to catch hold of the right space on the face. Can you all see? This is how it works. So next I am going to talk about this brush in the set. So it's really like, fluffy at the bottom and then it turns narrow at the end. But I would want to compare this with the earlier set that I purchased. So can you all see this? This is kind of very stiff and I have used it. So it's kind of very stiff and this one is much softer, so I feel this one would work the best. Basically I use this brush to powder my under eyes. So I use the loose powder and I just start baking it with this brush, because as you can see that it has a narrow end. So it's really narrow towards the end. So it becomes very easy to reach your inner corners and then bake your under eyes. So the next brush that I'm going to talk about is this one from the set. Now I'll show you all the difference between this brush and the other brushes. So as you all can see, the foundation brush that I showed you all had a very flat end, and this one has like somewhat a round surface. So I personally use this one to apply my blush. So as you guys can see that it becomes very easy for me to apply my blush with this one. I would want to mention one thing about this set, that they don't have like a very fluffy brush to powder your face. So, but no problem, you can use any one of these brushes. Like, you know that they have like two angular brushes, and this one has like a steeper angle. So you can use this one for your contour, but the other one can be used to powder your face as well. So moving on to these smaller brushes in the set. The first one that I'm going to talk about is this brush. So आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि सारे तो brushes एक जैसे दिखते हैं, कैसे use करेंगे? So there is a slight difference. As you all can see that this one has an angle to it, whereas this one that I'm going to talk about right now has like a really straight flat edge. So this brush with the flat edge can be used to blend your concealers, especially near your under eyes. The rest 4 are used for eyeshadows. This is basically used for, you know, your crease area if you all want to get into details. So this can be used because it has a very narrow end. Honestly, for me, these 3 brushes are just one and the same, and you all can use one for you all can just keep one separately for blending all the harsh lines. One you all can use for a very nice faded crease color if you all want. If you all don't want something really precise and you all want something really faded and blended, you all can use one for that, and one is just an additional thing which you all can use for any purpose. The cost for this particular set is rupees 599 on Amazon, but I got it for 248. So they always have some discounts going on. Now I'm going to talk about those additional brushes that I feel a beginner should have in their kit and is not available in the set. So the brush that a beginner needs to have in their kit is a highlighter brush, जो ये set में available नहीं था. And come on यार, highlighter के बिना makeup complete है ही नहीं. So yes, this fan brush, and I purchased this from Amazon as well for rupees 169. So another brush that I feel should have been included in the kit, and I personally use it a lot, I'm comfortable using that brush, is a flat eyeshadow brush which helps you work on your lid area. So I will leave the link down below with few options for the flat brushes. So if at all you all are looking for a flat eyeshadow brush, you all can purchase it. So there are few things that I would want to tell you all about these brushes before I end the video, is that there is a vast difference between the professional brushes and these brushes, but from a beginner's point of view, these brushes do the job right. So there is one more thing that I want to tell you all, is that it's totally up to you guys which brushes do you all want to opt for. If you all want to opt for a professional brush set, you all can definitely go for it, but for those who don't want to invest too much over a brush, these brushes are just perfect. In fact, the makeup that I'm wearing today is created using these brushes. तो मैंने purposely ये brush को use किया है so that आप लोग final results भी देख सको. I will be leaving the links to all these products in my description box down below. Also, I wanted like a छोटू सा suggestion from you guys before I end the video. If you all would want to see a video and want me to create a video on how to clean these brushes, so if you all want me to make a video on that, please comment below. So I hope you all liked the video, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will soon be coming out with another video, so stay tuned.